A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. How you do? Me have one question for you. You believe say angel real? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button too. And the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from the letter to the Hebrew them, chapter 1, from verse 1 to verse 14. In the old time, dear them, God used to use him prophet them all heap of time. And in all kind of way, fi talk to we father them. But in a them last day, he use him boy picnic fi talk to we. Him pick him and come give him everything. God pick him too, so God could have make the world. When you look upon God boy picnic, you can see God bright light. And he show how God done, cause he come in just like God. And in powerful word, make everything turn just like how them fit turn. So when he done make the way, so people can get pardon from sin, he go sit down up at heaven. Right side of the one way more powerful than everybody else. And which party he sit down in heaven at the top position that. And him get to rule over everything. As so come and get fit turn higher than the angel them. Cause the name where him get higher than for them own. Cause which one of the angel them God ever said this to? You a female boy picnic. Today, me turn for your father. Or which one of them him ever said this about? Me, I got turn film father, and him, I got turn film boy picnic. But when God bring him first boy come in the world, him say, all of God angel them, worship him. And when him talk about the angel them, and this him say, God make him angel them for come in like a breeze, and he make them for come in like a fire where they blaze up. But this is what him say about the boy picnic. Oh God, you are gonna rule forever and ever. And you are gonna rule the right way for true. Your love were right, and your hate were no right. And so come me, for you God, pick you over your friend them and make you well happy. Him said this too, Lord, when nothing never about it, and you make the earth, and you take for your own and them, and make the sky and everything else. All of them sitting there do, I go mash up and done for. But you are going to debout forever. But the whole of them are going to wear out like a old clothes. You are going to fold them up like jacket when not good again. So them are going to change like old clothes. But you not change. You are turn same way. And you're not dead neither. Which one of the angel them God ever said this to? Sit down right side of me, on my right hand, and can rule over everything. Sit down there till me make your enemy them come bend down in front of you. Make you cock up your foot pan them. All of the angel them. No spirit them. Spirit where God send. We go serve the people them. We go get saved. So, a God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.